Hello everyone and welcome to this webinar dedicated to the setup of your Welcome Kit. Welcome Kit is an application management tool for all your hiring matters. Now let's go together through the different options of the tool. Feel free to ask all of your questions in our chat. We will answer them as soon as possible. To start the setup of your tool, please click on the section Settings located on the top bar. The first tab is about your general information. This is where you can put your company name, the name of the sender used for automatic replies to candidates, and your preferred language. The description section allows you to describe your company and will be used on the career page exclusively. You can also add your logo. Be aware that it is the same logo used for your profile on Welcome to the Jungle. Also, feel free to add your website or any other social media accounts. The second tab is for your departments. Departments help you classify your offers on Welcome Kit as well as on your career page, depending on what is most relevant to you. You can create as many departments as you want, depending on your internal structure, technical, media, business, marketing, finance, etc. You can choose to make them visible or not. You can set up your address in the Offices tab. Don't forget to put your headquarter address, as it is the one displayed on your Welcome to the Jungle profile. The Legal and Compliance tab gathers all your legal documents. Know that you can also contact our DPO for any question related to this topic. In the Members tab, you will find all the users granted access to your Welcome Kit. As a reminder, the number of users is unlimited within the company. For each of these members, you can set up a specific level of access. If a member is admin, it means they can see everything, including billing, perform any action, and manage users' roles. A standard user can see and perform any action, but does not have access to billing and cannot manage permissions. A limited member can only see the offers for which they are a recruiter. To add a user, you just need to click on the Add button and fill in all the required fields. When you click on a member, you can change their information or role or delete them if needed. You can also manage the offers for which you want them to be notified. The Email Templates tab helps you manage your email exchanges with applicants and plan emails according to the different steps of the process. It's also where you can create and manage all your email templates for your account. To create a new email template, click on this button. You will then have to name it so it matches with the relevant step of your hiring process. You also have to add an email subject that will be visible to the candidates and the body of the email. Do not hesitate to use the different variables to customize your email exchanges with the applicant. You can then choose to activate or not this template. By default, 2 templates are automatically created in Welcome Kit, an automatic confirmation of receipt, and the email for rejected applications. Click on the email to modify them or deactivate them if you want. The following tab is about the setup of your application pipeline that displays your hiring process. That's where you can set up all the stages for your account. Please note that you can change them directly on an offer if needed, or if you have a specific process for a role. 3 stages are automatically created on the tool: new, rejected, and hired. You can then add stages, drag them, depending on your process. The Evaluation tab enables you to define the criteria you want to assess during the interviews. As for the application pipeline, this criteria will be set up on the account. If needed, you can change them on the offer. You can add as many criteria as you want and weight them accordingly. The widget allows you to advertise your offers on your career website or any other website of your choice. To do so, you need to copy the code available on the bottom of the page and pass it on the relevant website. You can receive your Welcome Kit notifications on Slack. To do so, you will need to set up the integration. The Billing tab will give you all the information about billing. Don't hesitate to download the Chrome extension on your navigator to use the features of Welcome Kit on other websites, source or hunt candidates. To post a job offer, please click on the button Add an Offer. The first step consists of writing the offer, which means fill in the job title, job field, office location for that role, and the department if needed. You can also modify the description of your company setup by default for the specific offer if needed. Then, fill in the offer description as well as the profile requirements. You can also add information regarding the hiring process for the role. Here you can fill in other settings, including the contract type or any other information such as the starting date or the possibility to work from home. You can also indicate the salary range. The second step is about the form the candidate will have to fill in to apply. There are several options, and you can select what you want to receive from the candidate: resume, cover letter, etc. You can make them mandatory, optional, or deactivate them. You can also add an additional question for the applicant that can also be made optional or mandatory. The advertising is available only for your career page if your career page is generated through Welcome Kit. In this case, you can choose whether you want to advertise the offer on the career page or not. If you wish to create a career page through Welcome Kit, please feel free to contact us. The next step is about the notification settings related to your offer. You can first choose the recruiters concerned by your offer. They will be notified once a day with the news and updates related to the offer. As a reminder, the number of users is unlimited on Welcome Kit. You can therefore involve any other staff concerned. If you want, you can also receive Slack notifications. To do so, you will need to set up the integration with the tool. The applicant's pipeline that appears here is the one that you set up by default, but you can modify it for the specific offer by adding, deleting, or changing the stages. Just like for the applicant's pipeline, you can change your evaluation criteria depending on the profile requirements for the specific role, preferred experience and skills. You can also set up a different weighting if needed. Your offer is now complete. Click on Save and Preview to get an overview and a summary of your offer. Then click on Publish to advertise it. All your offers are centralized on the Welcome page of Welcome Kit. This is where you will find all the active offers and the ones you have archived. Offers are sorted by departments, communication, marketing, operations, sales, etc., as previously set up in the tool. Each offer comes with information such as the offer title, position type, the office location, and the publication date. You will also see the total number of applications and the number of applications to be managed. As a recruiter, you can also choose to follow or stop following an offer. You can edit the offer, access the overview, and perform other actions such as put it back as a draft, duplicate it, or archive it. If you click on an offer, you will be redirected to the pipeline that you will have set up for this specific offer. Each stage corresponds to a step in your recruitment process. When a candidate applies, a small card corresponding to its application is automatically created. If you click on that card, you will find all the information that you asked for when creating your offer, such as their resume, cover letter, or any additional open question. For your information, if a candidate already applied in your company and therefore already belongs to your pool of candidates, it will show on the card. The Activity and Comments section allows you to take notes on the application or even notify a colleague if needed. You can also use the red thumb, the green thumb, or the super like to assess the applicant. The Email tab lists all the emails you had with a candidate, whether from Welcome Kit or directly from your own mailbox. You can use email templates created beforehand in your settings, and you can also choose to create a new one. The Reviews tab allows you to grade the candidate during the interviews according to your selected criteria and the weighting associated to each criteria. You can then see the average grade scored by the applicant, sorted by criteria and by recruiter, and the overall grade appears here. The Files tab allows you to add documents such as tests or any other case studies for the applicants. You can then drag your applicants from one stage to another depending on his progress in the hiring round. We also created an option for multiple actions for our clients that manage an important volume of applications. This function allows you to select part or all of the applicants in the same stage, send them an email from a template already created with the variables that will adapt to each applicant, or move all of them at once to another stage. So that was the overall process for managing your application process. To do so, we have created a Chrome extension that allows you to do two things. If you are sourcing, co-optioning, you can retrieve the information of candidates you're interested in and import them directly on Welcome Kit. If you advertise your offers on other websites, the Chrome extension will pre-fill the offers on those websites from your Welcome Kit offer. It will save you time when publishing on other platforms and having you to fill in each and every one of them. In order to download this Chrome extension, click on the Settings tab. Then, on the bottom left of the page, click on Chrome extension. You will then be redirected to the store, where you will be able to download the extension. Once installed, you will see a little WK logo on your navigator. Now, how to use this Chrome extension? For your information, it is currently supported by different websites such as LinkedIn, Indeed, AngelList, and if you want to add other websites, please feel free to contact us. If you go on LinkedIn and you go on a potential candidate profile you would like to hunt, for example, the Chrome extension will turn on green. If you click on it, it will automatically fill in the candidate's information. You can then associate it to one of your existing offers and give them a status corresponding to the different stages of your pipeline. When you click on Create, a candidate card will automatically be created on Welcome Kit at the chosen spot. Similarly, if you want to advertise one of your offers on LinkedIn, you just have to click on the tab Create Job Listings of the Chrome extension. You will have to choose which offer you want to advertise, the website where the applicant will be redirected, and the language of the offer. Then, start the automatic filling and create your offer. Thank you for your attention during this tutorial. Feel free to have a look at our frequently asked questions or use the chat to contact our support team. Bye!